Thank you all for coming here tonight. It means a lot to us here at the Ray Auto Group. This is something that we haven't done before, right? This is a dine and drive with all the EV products that are going to be coming out. So tonight is meant to be fun, educational. We've got some resources here between some of our sales professionals and our service professionals that can give you some one-on-one attention if you've got any specific questions. We've got some handouts.
I have the Bolt and I have the Bolt EUV. And over time, with just experience owning it and talking to customers, there's a couple of questions that people ask. Everyone's going to be, first of all, it's like, where do I charge this thing? Everybody knows where their closest gas station is, but like, where do I charge it? Level charge cord that's going to come with the EUV and the Blazers. So you got the 120, you can plug that in anywhere you can charge your phone, you can plug it in. If you want to go a little faster, you want to do level 2, it's also going to come with a 240 outlet. So you just need to have that installed in your garage, and you can charge it a little bit faster.
What'd you think?
It's amazing. It's so quiet. It is very cool. It's very comfortable. There's a lot of room for the legs. It's fantastic. I really love it.
It was very cool. So cool. The gadgets, it's unbelievable. Quiet, awesome. And our tour guide.
Hey guys, this is Gabe over at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake. I'm here with Nathaniel and Annie. Tell us about your experience here at the Ray Chevrolet event.
Oh, it's been great. We learned a lot today about the different electric vehicles, and then even the vehicles that are hybrid being electric and with a combustion engine. We took out the Wrangler on a test drive, and it was a lot of fun. It was just so quiet, never driven anything like it. It was really, really cool.
That's awesome. And tell us, what was your favorite vehicle today that you got to look at?
Oh, I love the test drive that we did. When he started pulling out on the driveway, it felt like when the car dies on the road, and it's just so quiet. It was very fun, and I love to learn that the computers of the car take care of the batteries. It's just fantastic. I really love it.
You heard it here first, folks. Come see us here at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake. I'm here with Katie over at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake. Tell us what you thought about the Jeep.
I really liked it. There's lots of fun screens that definitely, for the passenger, keep them busy and not paying attention on my poor driving. And the back seat was big, lots of rooms for groceries. So one thing I didn't like is, which she said I could turn off. The regenerative braking really threw me off. I felt like people behind me were probably mad at me.
That's definitely a feature to get used to, but I'm sure you'll get used to it when you own your first EV vehicle from Ray Chevrolet or Ray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
So, what do you think of the Blazer? How was your test drive?
Nice test drive. It's pretty much what I expected. It's very capable. The performance is there. It looks like the qualities here, the fit and finish are, from what I can see, are really nice. Got plenty of power. The styling, I like it better than the Camaro-esque gas-powered Blazer. It's just sleeker and better looking, I think, but go from there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ray here at Ray Auto Group. I just wanted to thank everybody for stopping out for our first Dine and Drive here to discover more about EVs. It was a very successful event. Thank you, everybody.